Hi, my name is Arrionne, and this is my presentation on dimensional modeling. For this presentation, I have selected Priceline as the organization. Priceline was established in 1997 and originally focused on the airline industry and finding ways to fill seats for airlines. The organization later added additional services such as hotels, rental cars, cruises, and bundle deals. Priceline's mission has always been to be the world's best travel deal maker and helping its customer experience moments that matter. Priceline is now known for providing affordable and competitive prices in the travel industry. The purpose of this report is to identify ways to drive customer sales for hotels and improve the overall market performance. Utilizing the four-step dimensional design process, the basics fact tables, the EDM schema, and the OLAP cube method and alternative method. The four-step dimensional design process aims to improve efficiency, quality, cross-team collaboration, and increase productivity. The key steps of this process is select the business process, and in this case, the business process is to gain insight into customers' demand, identify possible trends and patterns, to help drive sales, and determine where the organization should focus on developing a stronger market presence. The second step is to declare the grain, which is, for this assignment, tracking the customer's booking behaviors. Third, identify the dimensions. Where are customers traveling to the most? What markets are flourishing? What steps can be taken to improve sales in the markets that are down? And how can Priceline strengthen its market presence? And then the last step, identifying the facts, which would be current production, sales, consumers, and market demands. Which markets and hotels have the highest sales? The fact table collects measures produced by an operational measurement events in the real world. Market research reveals there was a spike in leisure travel. There also was a spike in travel to local destinations or destinations within a driving distance. The market also seen that there was a decrease in international travel, and this was caused due to a spike in the economy. Areas of opportunities identified for Priceline. Priceline can really zone in to maximizing production capacity for top performing markets. They can also decide to target international travel and markets to drive sales in those markets. A process or method that can help Priceline execute those opportunities is the OLAP method, which is online analytical processing. This method is used to explore data from different angles to help identify trends, patterns, areas of improvement to help the organization gain a better understanding of the market and the company's overall performance. In this particular report, this is used to help Priceline gain insight into the market, any organization's performance, such as identifying popular markets, where are consumers traveling to, what are Priceline top performing markets, product, what brands or chains hotels have the most sales, where are customers likely to book at, and in the time period, what time of year does travel spike and what time of year does travel decrease. There are many alternatives to the OLAP method that can also help gain insight into the organization and promote business growth, such as Snowflake, BigQuery, cloud data warehouses, and Tableau. For an example, Snowflake analyzes structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Snowflake is a more complex and it consists of more dimension tables, but it also consists of the same process of OLAP. It analyzes and processes the data and then consolidates and integrates the data for end users. The EDM schema is for this particular slide. The star schema is another method for arranging data. The star schema is a simple method to organize data to gain insight into the data and it is easy to understand. The difference between star schema and snowflake is star schema is simple and consists of fact tables and 5 dimensions, whereas the snowflake method is complex and consists of fact tables, dimensions, and subdimension tables. It can provide a more in-depth analysis than the star schema. Depending on the size of the organization and departments determines which schema an organization should use. Now, the best approach I've selected for Priceline is the STAR schema. Although it is a simple method, it has identified the following: the fact table, which consists of sales, revenue, and market performance, along with identifying the driving factors of the data located in the fact table, which is customer demand, supplier, which vendors are providing the most competitive rates, product, which focuses on hotels that customers are likely to book at, time, which analyzes the seasons that sees an increase in travel, and then market. And this dimension evaluates the market performance. Now, in conclusion, the organization can use star schemas to set targets tailored to drive sales. This method provides a clear path for the company to follow based on the insights gained for the schema. These are the references that I've used to build this assignment and presentation. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.